Hello dear colleagues, I am Mrs. Sampada Kulkarni from Department of Information Technology, Modern College of Engineering welcomes you for 1 week EFDP on e-content development and effective use of ICT. This online FDP is organized by Modern College of Engineering. In this session, I am explaining you if you want to do the regrading of the assignments of all the students or some of the few of the students in the classwork section from your Google Classroom, then what you can do. So now here I am going to explain you both the things, that is how to regrade the assignment as a teacher, and at the student's end how the student will receive the updated grades. Now just switch to your Google account. This is the account where you are playing the role of teacher. I have already explained you how to create the assignment. Suppose this is the assignment created by you, which is turned in or the submitted by one student. Suppose I will assess this particular assignment, and at the time of assignment what I will do, I will check whatever the submission is done by that particular student, and here I will give the grade to that particular student. So after clicking on turn in, I can assign the marks to that particular student, or I can give the marks directly over here after turning in. Now here let's see if I will give the marks, only 3 marks to this particular student. For example, the student has opted only 3 marks. Now what I want to do, I will return these marks to the student. So after returning these marks, if you want to at the time of returning the marks to the student, then you can give the private comment over here. If you don't want to give, it's not at all mandatory. So these are the grades are sent to the student. Now let's see what the student will receive. The student will receive the mail for the grades. Yes, the students has received that graded the lab assignment number 1. Here you can see that the student will see the marks whatever he has received, he or she has received. Now if the student is unsatisfied with these marks, so what the student can do? Student can resubmit his work. For the resubmission, the student will be having the tab available over here. So what the student will do? Student will again do his work. He will go to Drive where where the student has stored his work, and student will upload the document where he has redone the work. And okay, let's see why there are some issues. Suppose the student is having his work in his what we can say, in his machine, and in this machine suppose this is the work done by the student, and let's try to resubmit it. I'm very sorry. It's not able to do. Why it is? Okay, I have not dismissed it. Now let's again select it and drop it over here, and you can upload over here. So now after uploading, the student will be able to resubmit it. So after resubmitting, the teacher turn in, and now the teacher will able to grade it once again. So let's move to the teacher's login. We will move to the class work again. Now in this classwork, here you can see that in this classwork you can see that again the one student which were already graded by you, one student is again turned in. You can go over there and you can see the new attachment sent by the student. Here you can see that this student is already graded, but the student has done the resubmission. For this resubmission, you can go through his attachment, what he has submitted as the resubmission. After going through these documents, now here I am going to use the documents which are available with me right now, but the student, whatever the student has submitted, the teacher will be able to see that. Now it seems that the student has submitted many of the things which was missing in his previous submission. Now what I will do, I will reassign it. So for this reassignment, or the what we can say regrading, I am updating his marks. Now here whatever the marks are updated over here, you can see, or you can give over here. Previously the marks given was 3. Here you can see that the previously marks given was 3, and now after resubmission I am upgrading his or her marks by 8, and now here I am returning it to that particular student. Here again you can see that the previously 3 marks was there, and now I am giving 8 marks. So this is also the facility given by the Google, that you can reassign the marks. The same thing after submit or regrading the student. Here the student will receive the mail from the teacher, that is regraded. Here you can see that I am going to refresh this particular page, and here you can see that the student must have received the mail from his teacher. Yes, here 2 mails are there. I will open these mails, and now here you can see that this is the new mail recently received by the student, is nothing but the updated marks, that are nothing but 8. So in this way the student can resubmit his work, and the teacher also can regrade the student. So with the help of this, the student will be able to work on their assignments, and after receiving the grades, if the student is unsatisfied, student can resubmit their work, and after that the teacher also can improve the grade given to that particular student. So thank you dear listener, all my colleagues, for listening and watching my video. If you are having any comment, please post your comment. If you are having any doubt, query, please post your doubt in the comment box. I will try to solve it. Here for your reference, I am providing you the shortcut link for the next video of this Google Classroom series over here, and along with this I am providing you the playlist for this G Suite, Google Suite. Thank you.